Break ID number 3359. 2018 Leaf in the game, used sports. 2-box break. This is random categories. Hopefully these categories fit in my randomizer. I don't know if I want to mess with it or not. Here's the alphabetical list. Actually, they barely fit there, but David ED's got one spot, and James RE has the rest. So we'll just find out what David has. And go. It's crooked, it's bothering me, sorry. There you go. So, the single, dual, and triple in the game used cards are David's. I don't dare to. Yeah, I don't dare to touch it. Not when I'm not using a saved file. I had to make adjustments when I had the technical difficulties earlier. No, we have the rest of another case coming on Wednesday. All right, first one. 1 of 5 in the game, Dan Marino. Well, sorry, 1 of 6. That's enshrined. 2 different enshrines up there, all-time and the regular one. This is James R.E. Next one is 2 of 9. Wayne Gretzky. That is Jersey. Also enshrined, James R.E. And 3-color patch auto, 12 of 15, Nolan Patrick. That is Super Patch Signatures. James R.E. Next one, oh, like this one. 3 of 5. Dual patch. Check out this combo. Mickey Mantle and Jack Nicklaus. Okay. I'll take it. We haven't done our redundancies yet, Paul, so that's probably what it was. We had nothing shipped, so or sold. So yeah, just make sure you send me that email, Richard. I'll do it before the redundancies start. All-time enshrined. James R.E. Last one. Saying what? Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 patch. 3 of 7. Joe Namath, Mickey Mantle, Mark Messier, Walt Frazier, LT, and Mike Bossy. That is New York. Some nice patches of New York players. I do have more of this coming on Wednesday. We've got some up there too for sale. That's 3 of 7. City of Champions. James R.E. Box 2. Yeah, I do too. Next one is 7 of 7. Jersey, Gale Sayers. That's enshrined. James R.E. Uh, 5 of 20. Jersey, the Big Hurt. Frank Thomas. That guy bought everything except for one. This is James R.E. And speaking of, wow, 2-color patch auto, Jack Eichel. Wow. 26 of 35. That is nice. And that is in the game used. Sports Auto single. Guess who? David E.D. There you go, David. And that's a nice one. Very nice. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 patch. 4 of 8. Fantastic Fabrics. Keyshawn Johnson. All I do is catch touchdowns. Fantastic Fabrics. Is, hello, James R.E., of course. And the last one. This is a quad patch. 16 of 25. Darryl Strawberry, Mike Piazza, Dwight Gooden, Hideo Nomo. 16 of 25. Award season. James R.E. All right. Box 2 of that coming right up.